Farting daily is normal. Farting too much is not. Hello, I'm Christian Drapeau. I'm a fartologist and... No, I was teasing. Just kidding. I'm Christian Drapeau. I'm a stem cell scientist and herbalist, and I help people live longer, better lives. When you get gas formation in the digestive system, that's because you have fermentation that is taking place. Fermentation will happen in the digestive system, but your digestive system is not like ruminants, is not made for fermentation. It's made for digestion. So fermentation and gas production takes place when you don't have the right balance between the intestinal flora that you have, enzyme production, and the kind of food that you're consuming. So you want that right balance. If you produce too much gas, what you need to start to look at is reducing the kind of food that ferments. So all those sugars, polysaccharides, even complex polysaccharides, complex sugar, complex carbohydrates, they are fermentable. They are the source of gas. You also want to make sure that you normalize your intestinal flora. Take good probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, and also you can add digestive enzyme that is going to break down your food so that there's nothing left to ferment down into the digestive system. Once you've handled all of that, you can fart a few times a day and it's totally fine. Too much is the clue here that something is not quite normal.